good, guys? It is Wavy Spice here, and today I am super excited to be coming to you guys with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my wig laid from start to finish, and I'm going to show you how I got these really pretty waves. Before we get too deep into the video, if you are new, definitely go ahead and subscribe, join the Spice gang. We have a lot of fun over here, and if you are oldie but a goodie, what's up, girl? So I just want to start off by telling you guys a little bit more about the wig. So this wig is actually from my first wig, and it is 20 inches. It's actually the wig called Amanda, and is described as improved Malaysian beach wave, and this is a lace front wig. And yeah, you can just go check out the website if you want more information on it, because this is not a review. This was not sent to me. I wish this was sent to me. I bought this with my own money. If you need like extra money to get wigs and you have good credit, I would recommend getting a PayPal credit card. That's an awesome way to be able to you know, pay a decent amount for your wig and then just pay it off in increments. That's what I did. So yeah, that's just a little bit about the wig. It's like obviously a natural color. I have medium brown lace, and yeah, I guess we can just hop right into the video so you guys can see how I actually styled this. Okay, so I'm just gonna melt down my lace, and yeah, I'm sure you've seen like a million videos on this. I really don't do anything special. I just use water and the Got to Be Freeze spray, just like everybody else on this app or on this platform. So this is what the lace looks like. It's really nice lace. Yeah, just got my spray bottle, rat tail comb to hold it down, Got to Be Freeze spray, and then my blow dryer on cool, which I have like a Remington blow dryer. Of course, I'm using my blow dryer on cool. The good thing about this Remington dryer is that it has like a cool, medium, hot setting, and then it has like a low heat and a fast heat, so you can actually like click it. You don't have to like hold the freeze button, so it's nice. I will say that. Back this side, do the same exact thing. I like to start on the ear tab and work my way towards the middle, and it's the same thing, just start with the water first. As you can see, the water just kind of melts it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my baby hairs, and I want like a really soft look for my baby hairs. Plus, I'm not about to like go out and sweat or anything, so I'm just gonna use some mousse. I'm using this Smooth and Shine Polishing Olive Oil and Tea Tree Wrap and Set Mousse, and this works really good for my hair. It doesn't make it too greasy, but it still defines it, so I really like it, and you don't have to use too much. I never used this on my baby hairs before, but I know I just want like a smooth, light look, so that's why I'm using this. And a soft look, like I don't want it to be too like too hard looking. It has a very nice minty smell. I'll go ahead and go to the other side. And if you guys can kind of see my lace right now, that'll look better once I put some foundation on it. So I kind of over plucked the side, so it's a little bit harder to work with. It's like at times I feel like I over plucked the side, but then at times I feel like it's better than the other side because it looks more natural. But I feel like over time this side is gonna get like 8 out personally. To go get like a strip and wrap it, and I'm gonna start by smoothing down the top. I'm gonna just use some set spray, like 3 pumps, smooth down the top. Okay, so this is like really my first time putting heat on this hair, and I really do not want heat damage. I've heat damage weave before, so I'm going to like treat this like my real hair when I go by doing this. Also, I don't know if I told you guys, but the hair was washed and conditioned today, so it's no product on it, and it's just combed out right now. All the kinks and everything are combed out. And I'm going to actually use a heat protecting spray because, like I said, I'm trying to protect the hair. It says this can protect up to 450 degrees, so hopefully my hair doesn't heat damage. And I'm gonna blow dry the hair first because I want it to get super sleek and I have to do like too much heat. So this hair should blow dry pretty well. I'm gonna try it on low first, and then I'm gonna try it on high if that doesn't get it straight. But low should do the job because it's really not that, it's not kinky, it's just wavy, so. This is straightening it, I love it. Yeah, so I was gonna like straighten it then crimp it, but I think I'm just gonna be able to blow dry it straight and then crimp it. So this is awesome. Hair dryer coming in handy, not even on your weave. Okay, so this is how it got. It's still a little bit wavy, but I mean, we're putting waves in it, so maybe that won't matter so much, hopefully. But yeah, that's one side. I am going to go off camera and do the other side, and then I'll come back. So here's what the hair looks like after I took a blow dryer to it. As you can tell, it still has some waves, but that's okay because we're gonna be crimping it anyway. So I just wanted to get majority of the curls out, and that's exactly what I did. And the hair actually looks really pretty like this. Like I would definitely wear this hair like this. Like it's very pretty. And this heat protectant smells divine. Okay, so I already did like a practice run off camera, and it's super easy to do. I think I'm just gonna like hold it for 5 seconds on each chunk. So and then you just want to make sure you go back in the one that you just made. So like once you start doing it, you'll understand. Obviously you want the crinkles to be symmetrical, so you go inside of the last crimp that you made. obviously. I mean, I'm sure everyone has crimped their hair before. Oh, and this heat tool that I'm using is actually a bed head crimper. And it's called the Wave Artist. And that's how easy it is. So, honestly. And I'm gonna try to spray it with some hairspray. It's barely nothing in here, so I'm gonna have to switch from this one to the Got To Be soon, unfortunately. Okay, so on the last section, this has actually been really easy and doesn't really take that long. I thought it would take longer, but the fact that I can do it in bigger sections, like, is definitely doable. And so I ran out of my Tresemme spray, which I'm sad because it's like a lighter spray than the Got To Be. So unfortunately, I do have to switch to using the Got To Be. But that means this will last hopefully as a style for like a while. Okay, so here is what the finished look is looking like, and it looks really pretty. I think I'm gonna add some clips because I don't like how it's like in my face. Yeah, I think I like it like this. Maybe put it to the front on this side, put it to the back on this side, yeah. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is how it turned out. I am going to come back to you once I have like my hair and makeup and everything finished and show you guys how everything looks. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I really love the way it turned out. It's so pretty and full. And surprisingly, it didn't take all that long. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely do not forget that subscribe button on your way out, and go ahead and click on this video if you're interested in seeing more WavySpiceTV. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.